Hey guys, we are playing Among Us today. I just asked people if they wanted to be in a video, and they joined, and I'm sadly not the imposter. I'm gonna go do some tasks, and hopefully no one kills me. Black is a little tiny bit sus though. He's following me a little. Don't kill me. If Black kills me, I won't be surprised. There's Orange doing asteroids. I don't think Orange is bad. I think I'm gonna play a lot of Among Us on my channel. I hope you liked my intro. I just got an editing app, so my videos will be a little better. Hopefully I'm speaking loud enough. So if you don't know what Among Us is, you die like that. So you basically do tasks and try not to get killed by the imposter, and if you're the imposter, you try to kill all the people, and then you win. So that's basically Among Us. It's a great game. Everyone is saying where. Hopefully someone saw that. I'm hoping Pink saw that, unless Pink was an imposter. The room. Yep. I think I forgot the name. I still don't know why he said that. I forgot the name. Does that mean anything? Or did I just say that? They're thinking of skipping. A lot of them did. Well, that is bad. Okay. No one was ejected. I'm just gonna go do tasks because I'm dead. The weird thing about this is the 3 seconds left is longer than the days, which doesn't make any sense, but whatever. Defeat. Well, bye guys.